Changing a toilet seat is a very quick and easy process. You will literally have 2 bolts situated underneath on the corners of each toilet pan. Just basically unscrew. Then the toilet seat will be removed. In the event of changing your toilet seat, it's very important that you use all the washers, nuts and bolts that are provided. Firstly, use the washers that go on the top of each bracket. Hold them into place and hold the pins as they go in. Again, using every washer and nut. Use the key, just untighten it. Repeat the process for the opposite side. At the end, before using the toilet, just give the seat a little wiggle, make sure it's tight and secure before using it.